Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and as you know, Yourpedia is the largest and the most authentic platform where you can prepare for any interviews. Presently, the interviews of three main research organizations are going on: BARC, ISRO, NPCIL. What is so special about these three organizations? Entire selection is interview based. BARC interview, you know, is the reference interview. NPCIL 100% selection on interview. ISRO 50% weightage to the interview. Students, once they prepare their subjects, they want to test their knowledge, and the mock interview is something which is very important for students if they want to do good in the actual interview. But then there is a misunderstanding among students for mock interviews. They think that once we have prepared entire syllabus, we will go for entire syllabus mock and that is sufficient. See friends, final testing in the mock has its own role to play, but that does not help you prepare for the mock. Full length mock will tell you where do you stand, what is your present situation of the preparation, but it will not prepare you for the interview. Full mock do not prepare you for the interview. They only test your present knowledge, present situation. After full length mock, as a mentor I can only tell you, no, you are ready for this or you are not ready, you will get selected or you will not get selected. Then what prepares you for the interview actually? And Yourpedia has unique preparation modules or strategies which we have created since years now, and that is individual subject wise mock, which we call SNAP. Many other organizations and YouTubers have started using this word SNAP. Nobody knows what is the meaning of that except Yourpedia, but people are blindly using this subject snaps, snap mock or something like that. Now this word SNAP has become synonym with good interview preparation. So what is SNAP? When one teacher who is expert of his subject is taking mock of that subject, it is called subject SNAP. 10 to 15 minutes thermodynamics. You prepared thermodynamics? Yes sir, I prepared thermodynamics. You want me to test that? Yes sir. I will be asking you 10 questions, 15 questions in 10 to 15 minutes and give you feedback. Again come for subject SNAP. And how many subject SNAP can I give? You go for many. Go for many. So thermodynamics, suppose only on thermodynamics you have taken 5-6 snaps. The teacher has asked you 5-6 times, 5-6 snaps, and he has asked you 50 questions. Good questions. Don't you think your subject is prepared very nicely? And then go for next subject, then go for next subject. So if you for one subject, let's say thermodynamics, you have taken 5 snaps, and then 5 snaps you have taken for strength of material, 5 snaps you have taken for fluid mechanics, 5 snaps you have taken for heat transfer. Don't you think you have taken sufficient snaps which will help you to prepare that subject subject wise? And your preparation is also subject wise. If you keep on waiting कि जब मेरा सारा सिलेबस हो जाएगा फिर मैं मॉक दूंगा, तब तक बहुत लेट हो चुका होता है. इट इज लाइक आपने टेस्ट कराया एंड द डॉक्टर इज ओनली टेलिंग यू नो यू आर गोइंग टू डाई और यू आर गोइंग टू सर्वाइव कैंसर, फाइनल एंड स्टेज. नहीं, तुम बच जाओगे, तुम पास हो जाओगे, फेल हो जाओगे. नॉट के हाउ टू पास. तो कैसे इंटरव्यू को प्रिपेयर करना है और कैसे इंटरव्यू मार्क्स लाना है, कैसे अच्छी प्रिपरेशन करनी है, वो सब्जेक्ट स्नैप होता है, मॉक नहीं होता. मॉक इज ओनली टेस्टिंग ऑफ द फाइनल थिंग कि यू आर इन और यू आर नॉट इन. एंड मॉक जस्ट 3-4 दिन पहले दिया जाता है. स्नैप्स आपके 20 दिन 25 दिन पहले दिए जाते हैं. द मोमेंट वन सब्जेक्ट इज रेडी, मैराथन सुनो, वन सब्जेक्ट तैयार करो एंड गो फॉर इट. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सब्जेक्ट स्नैप. I hope the concept is clear. Yourpedia is the pioneer in subject snaps and mocks and all. So in case you are interested to prepare for any interview friends, go for Yourpedia platform. Thank you.